Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of May 31st through June 6th. Crazy, it's June. I have this kit from Nicole Creations. I think it's something to do with Desert Dream, I think is what it's called. But it's super cute and has all like the succulents. I like this color palette with like the pinks and the peaches and these kind of like turquoisey colors. I actually had a good amount of washi that went with it. I pulled these three from Michael's. I think I'll use some of those in the bottom washi. I also have this one from Dollar Tree, this one from American Crafts, which I think is actually now sold as a Recollections from Michael's, and this one from AliExpress. And then I have a few skinny ones and the slightly wider one from Amazon. So my plan is to use, I kind of want to use the polka dots. I think, can I use these both next to each other? Apparently, yes, I can. All right, maybe I'm gonna use, is that too much? What is my cat doing? Maybe I'm gonna use these two. Okay, so I'm gonna use these two along the bottom. I think they go together pretty well. I think they came from the same set and they kind of go with the vibes. This is gonna go through the middle for me. And then I'm going to stick the Today headers along the top and then these headers along the bottom row. So that's my plan. I'm also going to stick down my weekend banner, assuming I remember, while I'm at it. So I'm going to do all those things and then come back so that we can do the interesting bits. All right, well, that was more of an adventure than I hoped for. It's looking really good. My cat was being a little too helpful. I'm sorry if you saw his feet coming through. All right, in terms of the full boxes, I feel like these two kind of go together. Maybe these two and these two. Which leaves these two as the last ones. I'm gonna stick this as my quote box. No real reason. Wow, that's very loud. Then stick this one here. That kind of goes with the color of this thing. Okay. I feel like I kind of want to do two of these kind of whatevers first. Then I think I'll do right this order. And then I'm going to stick these two in. Here. I just kind of want to divide up like the more pink things and the less pink things, I guess. All right, there we go. All right, that's looking pretty cute. All right, so in terms of the sidebar, let's see. Maybe I should use some like really skinny washi. Do I want the more? I think I'm gonna use the clouds. This is really skinny. I have to do this upside down because I can only roll washi in one direction. I don't know if you guys are like this. Whenever a washi roll has to go the other direction to make it like the pattern be right, I just kind of follow it. All right, so we got that. We have these guys. They are always too wide with Nicole Creations kits for reasons that I don't really understand because the rest of the boxes are all like a logical size. So I don't know why she makes these too wide. But basically what it comes down to is I need to cut off to like a little bit into each side. And then it's gonna be perfect. See, that's pretty much perfect. Just with like my no effort put into it cutting. So that's what I'm gonna do. There we go. I'm gonna just stick these two down. One of these is going to be for Instagram. I have the space, so I might as well stick it in. These are the Piper Paper Company icons. Just like always, I have an affiliate link below. If you're interested in using it, I get a little commission and you get 20% off your stickers. No pressure, of course. I feel like this lime green kind of goes, even though it doesn't, but I feel like it does. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I pulled out this Posatune set of stickers. I thought I used this little guy right here, which kind of looks like my cat, like who you can hear running around like crazy. But this is to track brushing his teeth. So stick that in right there. Then I'm gonna do another row of this tiny washi. I feel like I could have chosen a whiter washi, but I don't feel like undoing everything to try to redo. So I'm just gonna not do that. There we go. And then I have, oops, sorry. I have a leftover. I think this is from Creative Cavern Studio. And this turquoise is like a little bit too bright, but I think once everything is together, it's not going to be noticeable. So I'm going to use this to track my dinners. There we go. And then I have this like huge amount of space right here, which I don't know how I'm going to fill. Do I have any good boxy things? These are from Creative Cavern Studio and they kind of go maybe. I could use this guy. Is it too bright? Sure, let's just go with it. There. This is a leftover, I think from Bella Digital Designs. I'm not sure. It's like, it comes from somewhere, not really sure where. I'm putting this down because there was still like a tiny amount showing at the bottom. And I would like to hide that. Wow, as soon as I start filming, like literally everyone wants to text me. So I'm sorry for all the noise. I should have stuck it on Do Not Disturb, I guess. All right, there we go. Okay, that's pretty cute. Gets my sidebar covered. I didn't grab like a meal-ish sticker for here. So let me just see if I have one that works. How about this one? This is from My Planner Life UK. I think it actually goes really well. So I'm just gonna stick that right here. There we go. Okay, for the daily plans. First up is, I guess we'll mark Memorial Day here at the top. Use this little flag. And then I have my Happy Planner stickers, the same ones I've been using for like all the holidays. Pretty close to done all the ones that I'm going to use. I'll need some more for the next cycle. There we go. Then the big thing of the day is that I will be flying back. I could use this one. I didn't, of course, didn't like this one. The color goes really well. This is another My Planner Life UK. It's gonna be towards the end of, oh, I'm not flying back on Monday. Never mind, we're good. Just realized. Monday we're gonna be home doing whatever it is we're doing. I don't know what that's gonna be. The remainder of the week is gonna be work days. So I'm just gonna stick in these guys to mark work. So this one. Even though it's going to be a 4-day work week, it's going to feel like 100 years because it's so busy. I have so many meetings. On Wednesday, I think I'm booked pretty much straight through, like 8 to 5 meetings straight through. So definitely going to be exhausted, but that's fine. That's something that I will figure out. Other than that, I have really nothing too much scheduled. I do want to mark here that I'm going to need to do my plan with me. Let me see. I'll give you one of these. These are another Piper Paper Company. I'm just gonna stick that right there. And I think that's pretty much all I know right now. The week is very much up in the air. It depends on how exhausted I am from work. So pretty much I'm just gonna not plan on doing a lot of other things. I'm not gonna write anything in because again, so little to write in, but stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Not a lot of foil, but I'll give you a little wiggle and a torque anyway, just in case. If I don't mention it came from the kit from Nicole Kelly Creations. Just a little bit left. One like kind of icon and one habit tracker. I don't know if you can hear my cat in the background. He says hello. In terms of some other things, this really skinny washi is from Amazon. This is a Piper Paper Company icon. This one comes from an AliExpress sticker sheet. This is an old one from My Planner Life UK, and this I believe is a leftover box from Bella Digital Designs. Bottom washi is both from Michaels. The Memorial Day is from the Happy Planner, another Piper Paper Company, Chasing Shells, and then this washi is from Amazon. These are both Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Courses Creations, Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Agenda 52, which is from Hobby Lobby, Chasing Shells, Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, and a leftover from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. And that is everything. Otherwise, I just used stuff from the kit, tried to really use that as much as I possibly could. I love how it turned out with like the pops of some of the like brighter colors. It's somehow bright and summery while still being unusual colors for this time of year. I don't know, I really enjoyed it. I like how it turned out. I'm excited to look back on it someday. And in the meantime, ready to move on to the next week. Let me know what kits you're using for the rest of the summer. Are you starting to plan for fall? Let me know. I'm definitely behind, so excited to see what everyone else is using. Probably need to build up my kit stash again a little bit, so also let me know what I should be looking at below. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all of that good stuff. And until next time, bye!